Hello friends and welcome back to class.
Yoo-hoo!
Today's topic is dump trucks. Dump trucks are used all around the world for many different jobs, such as construction, building roads, mining operations, agriculture. Dump trucks have many cool parts. Dump bed. Dump bed is like the truck's giant backpack. It can carry very heavy loads. Next, wheels and tires. Dump trucks have huge wheels and tires. These wheels are so big and heavy they can weigh more than a car.
Awesome!
Next is the driver's cab. This is where the driver sits to drive the truck and control all the parts like lifting and lowering the dump bed. Last is the big and powerful engine. This engine is like dump truck's beating heart. It provides all the power to move this giant dump truck.